Whether you are a carpenter or a weekend hobbyist who likes to practice innovative designs and setting, you would need a set of woodworking tools that best fit your expertise and allows you to practice the innovations you can think of. Due to the wide variety of available tools, it is hard to decide which one to buy. Don't worry, because we are here with a list of woodworking tools you must see. Rockler Centerline Tool. Centerline cabinet brackets and drawer slides are exclusive to Rockler and provide the best value and performance for various applications. These ball-bearing drawer slides, which come in multiple lengths, weight capacities, and extension options, are made of durable premium steel and operate quietly and smoothly. They are covered by Rockler's 100% satisfaction guarantee and come with screws and instructions for installation. Various self-closing, soft closing, and push-to-open motion features are available on the Centerline drawer slide lineup. Whether you need a 14-inch center mount slide to replace a worn-out wooden runner, a 20-inch side mount slide to reach the back of silverware drawer, or a 24-inch slide that is sturdy enough to hold heavy files, there's a Centerline solution for your situation. Festool Cordless Dust Extractor. The ctlc-midi cordless dust extractor is a fan of dust and matches other cordless tools from Festool perfectly. Whether used for mobile drilling, sanding, or sawing, this tool is the ideal companion for everyday tasks because of its tight design and lightweight. Even with a battery system, this tool makes it possible for you to do the job in an environment that is dust-free. Its innovative and functional remote control guarantees you have a great combination of a cordless tool and an extractor. Having a 36-volt turbine and two 18-volt battery units, the cordless extractor excels in maximum suction power. This dust extractor features a 36-volt turbine with power that can be compared to that of a corded extractor. Two 18-volt 4.0, 5.0, 5.2, and 8.0 battery units allow for a complete extraction without the use of a socket. It is highly adjustable and the suction power can be set on 3 different levels. Skil 712680 Detail Sander. The 260-watt Skil 7126 Detail Sander sands difficult to reach areas like stairs and furniture. You can quickly switch between the 2-foot positions for sanding around the corners and edges and in difficult to reach regions with the supplied finger-shaped attachment. With variable speed, you can alter the rate of the task at hand to achieve the best sanding results on various materials. This detail sander includes 15 sanding sheets in the compact carrying case. The powerful 260-watt motor generates excellent sanding results on metal and wood. This detail sander is the best tool for sanding down small surfaces and intricate objects because it is made to stand in places that are hard to reach. The tool's on-off switch is on top, so right-handed and left-handed users can easily control it. The integrated vacuum cleaner connection is compatible with most standard-sized vacuum cleaners, creating a cleaner workspace. The SKIL 7126 has 3 60 grit, 4 120 grit, and 3 240 grit hook and loop sanding sheets in a small carrying case. Lamelo 𝗵𝗔 MX2. The one-of-a-kind magnet-driven 𝗵𝗔 MX2 connection meets the highest aesthetic, stability, and productivity standards. Using a magnetic drive, the 𝗵𝗔 MX2 can be quickly connected and disconnected repeatedly with no visible openings. The panel's 12mm drill holes are filled with 𝗵𝗔 MX2 connectors that are screwed in. The connection closes and produces a clamping force of up to 250 kilograms per connector when used with the mini mag and a cordless drill. It is ideal for stairs, molded workpieces, furniture with high gloss paint, and so on. 𝗤𝗏𝑥 Brush Sander. You can polish marble and burnish metals with just the nylon roller of this essential equipment. If that isn't enough, 𝗤𝗏𝑥 offers a selection of compatible rollers for the ST62, including metallic rollers that can be used to clean and smooth metal surfaces, layered rollers that can be used to remove old paint, and abrasive rollers that can polish stainless steel. A double insulation case removes dust particles from the powerful 1300-watt electric motor. In addition, a spout that connects your machine to a dust extractor will keep metal shavings and sawdust away from the work area, reducing cleaning time by half and increasing motor life. The electronic speed control, 2-position speed switch, and adjustable guiding system of the 𝗤𝗏𝑥 ST62 rolling burnisher allow you to safety polish, burnish, and age marble, metal, and other surfaces. It works well with the following: rollers made of nylon that polish marble and metals, weather wooden surfaces, and so on. Metallic roller brushes that remove paint, rust, and burrs from metallic surfaces and wood. Abrasive rollers with layers that polish and repair scratches on metallic surfaces, burnish wood, and remove paint. And rough rollers that polish stainless steel and other metals. Wen scroll saw. Hardwoods up to 2 inches thick can be sawed through this tool's 9 and 16-inch stroke. Turning a knob lets you change the speed from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute. The 16 by 10-inch table is spacious and bevels up to 45 degrees for angled cutting, while the cast iron base prevents walking and vibration during operation. The adjustable air pump removes sawdust from your work area to ensure that you have a clear line of sight as you cut. With a 1 to 1.5 inch dust port, your work area will remain clean, allowing you to concentrate on your woodworking. In addition, the saw comes equipped with a hold-down foot clamp and a flexible work light that can be positioned in any way you like to secure your project. This one-of-a-kind blade holder allows users to adjust the cutting direction to fit their particular workpiece and accepts pinned and pinless blades. Remove the pins from the front holder and rotate the pinned edge 90 degrees. The scroll saw's 16-inch throat no longer restricts your cuts. In addition, the design of the removable pinless blade holder ensures that blades do not come loose during operation. Barrel Grip D-Handle Jigsaw M18. This extremely innovative jigsaw is a blend of blade speed, power, and precise cutting of materials built with the best quality components. It offers a significantly high blade speed of 3,500 strokes per minute, which is way higher than the corded jigsaws. The M18 Fuel Barrel Grip Jigsaw uses its own intelligence, RedLink Plus. It is fitted with a high-power brushless motor to produce perfectly controlled cuts with minimal chipping. This woodworking tool uses specially manufactured lithium-ion batteries to provide a cutting capacity of up to 105 feet and a 34-inch particle board. Further, it increases productivity throughout the day as it can work effectively with fewer recharges. Not only this amazing tool has a light and a blower that can be turned on and off so you can always see the cut line. Capro 353 Ledge IT Square. The retractable ledge support on the Capro 353 Professional Ledge IT Tri and Meter Square makes it simple to use without using your hands. The gradation on the stainless steel ruler has been permanently etched to ensure long-term accuracy. For precise and delicate measurements, the first 4 inches are increased by 1 to 32, and the remaining length of the blades is increased by 1 1/16 of an inch. For angle marking, the Capro 353's blade has to mark holes at 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degrees, and 60 degrees. It also has openings every 14 inches for fluid and parallel pencil markings. This long-lasting stainless steel ruler can be used for drywall, construction, and technical drafting. It has 3 milled surfaces and a cast handle made of aluminum for maximum precision. Capro reimagines precision tools and accessories for the weekend warriors and professional craftsmen, setting high standards by driving design innovation. Forstner Roman Carbide. Some of the finest Forstner bits on the market are these Roman Carbide ones. When drilling hardwoods, end grain, soft woods, figured grain, base grain, micrograin carbide cross tips, and center cutters remain sharper for a more extended time, ensuring years of reliable service. Cutting with the center cutters and carbide cross tips is much smoother, much faster, and shatter-free. Unlike adjusted knives, hex knives ensure no slipping, which brings about scarring and lessens extractness. Drill chucks with hex shanks can be used. Craig Corner Routing Guide Set. The corner routing guide set can be used with any router to create flawless corner profiles. In just 3 easy steps, you can make corners look that good. Select and attach the desired shape first. Next, match your material to the edge stop posts. Finally, follow route and you'll constantly achieve perfection. Trim routers, handheld routers, and even router tables can all be used with the guide. Various radius and chamfer profiles can be made with any trim router, handheld router, or table. It can make 3 different sizes of chamfers, produce 5 different radius sizes, 14 inches, 12 inches, 1 inch, 112 inches, and 2 inches. Adjustable edge stop posts and its grip max surface hold the workpiece securely. The large handle gives you confidence in your control of the guide. Its 8-corner profile stores safely in the included case. It's easy to switch shapes or material sizes without using a tool. 𝗏𝗏 marking rule. 𝗏𝗏's precision steel rules are available in length 6, 12, 18, 150, 300, and 10 inches decimal millimeters, and 3 inches by 2 inches. The 0.5mm mechanical pencil is inserted into the appropriate slot or hole on the precision steel rule, and the measurement is marked precisely. The metric marking rules, available in the 150mm length or the 300mm length, are precisely required for international accuracy. At every 1/4 of a millimeter, these guidelines provide marking holes. In the industry of keeping rules, this is unmatched. The marking rule for decimal inches and millimeters of 10 inches is the ideal blend of modern metric and traditional English measurement. This rule has to mark holes and slots every 1 millimeter and 1/20th of an inch. This combination rule is a worldwide hit because of its remarkable precision and 𝗏𝗏's well-known ease of use. They also sell a ruler that fits in pocket. It has the same size as a standard business card, 2 inches by 3.5 inches. This size is ideal for carrying it around in your pocket. 𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗧 PS100 Pocket Square. Carpenters and joiners will highly appreciate this PS100 Pocket Square. The novel design results in a small, rigid tool that fits in your hand and is slim and light. They are made of CNC milled aluminum and stainless steel with a thickness of 2 millimeters. The PS100 has handy slots cut to the shape of a carpenter's pencil every 5 degrees for increased precision. These marks are 1-degree increments around the outer edge. The CNC milled stock of the PS100 has a sharp pivot point, ensuring that each measurement is highly accurate. Its highly polished stock is made up of aluminum, which reduces friction for easy gliding while you mark the parallel lines on the workpiece edge. The oval holes made by laser cut at 1mm intervals allow for the fit of a pencil lead. If you like the video, check out this video, Cool Ideas to Protect Your Door and Home.